Hi, I'm Mark, CEO and founder of Staff Circle. I want to talk to you a little bit about competency frameworks or skills frameworks and what they can do for your organisation to help you orientate yourself for the new skills-based economy. You may be wondering what a competency framework is and why it's difficult to create one. Well, over here you can see a competency framework is essentially a collection of roles, skills, capabilities and competencies, along with career pathways, connected all together to create a seamless framework for your organisation. This enables your workforce to progress through roles in your organisation in a consistent way. It allows you to do skills-based hiring to reduce mishires, and it also allows you to do succession planning, which is incredibly important for retention. Along with that, you can see skills gap analysis in order to formulate better learning strategies, and in addition to that, be able to see single person dependencies. And this is a really important tool to help you manage risk inside your organization. For instance, if there's a single person with a high level of skill and you need to be able to backfill that person, because if that person leaves or is ill, then you lose a great deal of capability outside your organization. So here we have a competency framework. There's roles, skills, competency levels, and statements. And as you know, you all have multiple roles inside your organization, and each role has a number of skills, and those skills can be behavioral or role-based. Now, the skills have levels, and each level depends on the seniority of the role. In this example, level 3 for a skill, and then for that skill level, you've got a competency level 3 statement. Okay, and the statements are incredibly important because the statements enable managers, line managers, or leaders to see exactly whether or not a person is at a certain level or whether they're at a different level. So the statements are very important for your competency framework. But you can imagine that when you've got 200 roles in an organization with thousands of skills, and then hundreds more competency levels with statements, there's an incredible amount of information that needs to be collected. And actually, the average time to generate a competency framework for a 200-role organization is approximately 11 months. Which is, of course, tens of thousands of pounds in employee salary, not to mention the lack of productivity in other areas of the business where that person is obviously putting together that competency framework. And that's one of the main reasons why small and medium-sized organizations have really shied away from having these competency frameworks, complexity and cost. But the thing is, the benefits of having those competency frameworks are wide-ranging. So how do we move forward? Well, the answer is AI. AI has now enabled us to be able to create a new type of competency framework, which is hyper-personalized for every organization in a matter of minutes. A 200-role organization can be created, a competency framework can be created for that size organization in under 30 minutes. And even with topping and tailing and changing some of the role information around, you're looking at a day. And so this is a game changer for small to medium-sized organizations. Now, I'd love to discuss more about this, and we've got an upcoming webinar called The Secret Sauce of Succession Planning. I'd love you to join me, and hopefully you'll be able to see a QR link to be able to register, or the URL somewhere around this video. Thanks for listening.